Hi there, are you a local business owner? If not, skip this ad and enjoy your video. If you are, I've got a quick question for you. Have you heard of the platform Yelp? Chances are you have. But did you know that on a monthly basis, Yelp sees over 142 million unique users? And did you know that according to a study by Nielsen, nearly 93% of all Yelp interactions leads to a local purchase? That's great news for local business owners like us. I'm Carter from United Business Leaders, and I want to encourage you to click this ad and take advantage of an exclusive opportunity we're offering local business owners like yourself. Currently, we're helping business owners across the nation optimize their Yelp profile, appearing higher in search engines and generating even more customers. Go ahead, click this ad, and you'll be taken to this sign-up form. All we need is your name, email address, and phone number, and one of our team members will be in touch to help you optimize your Yelp listing. We're still here. Go ahead and click this ad anytime. If you have any questions, you can email us at team@unitedbusinessleaders.com. You can also give us a call at 1-866-317-9602. Offer has limited space. All right, time's up. Enjoy your video. Hopefully you click this ad and we'll see you on the other side.